Hello, friends. Welcome to your favorite channel, English Mania. Today, we are going to talk about vocabulary. Vocabulary is one of the major problems that we usually face when it comes to competitive examinations like banking, SSC, NDA, CDSE, MNS, etc. Friends, I have tackled many batches for 5 years of NDA, CDS, banking, and SSC as well. So I can say I can share whatever I know with you people so that you get to know, and you it becomes easy for you to get to clear your examination. So vocabulary is one of the main ingredient when it comes to clearing your examination. Vocabulary has one misconception that we cannot learn it because there are thousands of words and we cannot simply remember thousands of words. So there's a main problem in vocabulary that goes about memory, how to memorize words. That is the only and the biggest problem here. So for tackling this problem we have three solutions, and the point solution, you can say. First, root words. Maybe you have heard about it, root words. Second, usage. You with the word you will get to know about it. And mnemonics. These three are, you can say, Ramban for memorizing words. Let's see first, root words. For example, I have a tree here and it has thousands of branches and one root. So it is better to remember this root rather than learning about all the branches separately. So root words in Hindi we call mool shabd. For example, a is a mool shabd. With a I have many words like akalpaniya, जिसकी कल्पना नहीं की जा सकती. So same are in English as well. You can say this is the father and it has many sons and daughters. So if you get to know about the father, automatically you get to know about the sons and daughters, right? So the first root word here that we will see here is lock. It can be LOCQ as well. It means to speak or talk. So if I have a word here that is somniloquent. Do you know the meaning of this word? If you don't know, you need not panic. We simply will see lock is here. It means speak or talk. Somni is here. You must have heard about insomnia. Have you heard about insomnia? So somni is also here, right? So somni is also root word. Somni, insomnia means neend na aana, right? So somni means sleep. So somni, sleep, lock, speak. Meaning is speaking while sleeping. नींद में बोलना. Somniloquent, simple. For example, I have soliloquy. Right? Lock, speak again. If I have 4 options, I will see which option contains speak. If this option has speak, I will mark it. I need not consider much about others. If I have 2 options which contain speak, I will consider these 2. I will confirm which is the answer among these 2 with this root word soli. Soli is used for alone. Speak, बोलना, alone, अकेले. Speaking alone, खुद से बोलना, खुद में बड़बड़ाते रहना. That is soliloquy. So it means speaking to oneself. खुद से बोलना. Quite easy. If I give you a word, circumloquent. Circumloquent. This is the word here. Just tell me what is the meaning of circumloquent. We have seen here that lock, LOC or LOCQ combined. LOC is coming here. It means to speak. Now, it's something related to speak only. Circumference, circle, circumstances. Circum is something, for example, circumference, something round. Circumstances, surrounding us. So, circum is something round. Loquent is speak. What is the meaning? Speaking round and round and round means not talking straight. बातों को घुमाना. Beating around the bush. So that is the meaning, circumloquent. Not talking straight. So this is a very simple trick. This was your first book, first root word. Like that, for example, I have one more root word, that is ambul. Ambul. You must be remembering ambulance, right? It is totally connected with it. Ambul is used for moving, right? So we have words here like ambulance, ambulant. So ambulance you already know. Ambulance क्यों रखा गया है नाम vehicle का? Because it is a vehicle that moves a patient, right? Same we have ambulant. Ambulant is a word, it simply means moving. Now I will frame a word. You tell me what is the word which we use for a person who walks in sleep. सोते हुए जो चलता है उसे क्या कहेंगे? Make a word. So चलने के लिए we have ambul और सोने के लिए we have a root word that is somni. We just had seen, right? So I can make a word here simply somni sleep, ambul चलना and लगा देते हैं आगे somnambulant. सोते हुए चलने वाला पर्सन somni ambulant हो गया. It is that simple. You can make your words by yourself. दो root words, 3 root words हमने किए हैं and we have framed a very new word. You yourself have framed a very new word, right? Like this we have one more root word that is ander और andro भी हो सकता है, right? You must have heard about androecium in biology, right? Okay, so there's a word polyandry. Polyandry. Ander आ रहा है. Ander is used for male or human. Both meaning can be used. So ander here is male. Polygon. You must have heard about in mathematics, right? Polynomial. Poly is used for many. This is also root word. So many males means many husbands. Polyandry means practice of having many husbands, right? And the very familiar word that we have with andro is android. Every word has just a very pure meaning just behind it. Andro is human. And what is the meaning of android? Android means human like. So our phones are android and they are smart like humans. That's why it is named android. Very simple. You were not knowing right till now, right? Okay. So we had seen poly, right? We can make new words with poly, like polygyny. You can say this is the third root word, poly. Poly is many. Gyn is used for female. So many females means many wives. Practice of having many wives, right? Many males, many husbands, like Draupadi, she had many husbands. In some religions, there are practice of having many wives, so that is polygyny, right? So you know about gyn now. Let's see one more root word, that is meso. Meso is used for dislike or you can say hate. Meso. So I will make a word here. Can you tell me what is the meaning of misogyny? You must be laughing, right? And that you know it now. Miso is hate, gyn is female, so it means hating females, disliking females, right? And if I write misandry, what do you say now? Misandry. Miso is hate, right? And ander, we just saw ander, right? Here, ander is male. So I'll write here male. So it means hating males. So friends, it is that much easy, right? If you want to write it, you can just, I'm just scrolling it. You can simply write it. I want you people to memorize maximum words. English is very easy, trust me, but if you will do with tricks, then only it is easy. Otherwise you will feel that it is quite difficult, right? So that's all for today. Thank you.